want to show you the Dynatrace integration and also our partnership with Dynatrace. For this, we have a demo system set up with 2 dashboards I want to show you, and also a little bit of inclusivity via the tracing and logs. For example, our Dynatrace collector is collecting from the Universal Automation Center traces, logs, and all the metric data. So if we, for example, head over to the tracing tab, we can already see a bunch of traces that are collected by the OpenTelemetry collector of Dynatrace. And we can also filter by a different endpoint. For example, if I filter here for our launch SP demo task that I launched some time ago, we see some traces are already reached with a success rate. Okay, great. Now I want to view the task, to view the details of it and see a little bit closer. It's a simple task that was just timing for a few seconds and then yielded a success. But still, I want to be sure that it really ran. So I can copy the task instance UUID from the Traces tab and head over to the Log tab. Inside of the Log tab, we, first of all, can select everything and run the query and see all of the logs that we are collecting from our UC logs and from our agents. They are all based here. Now we see a bunch of UC logs. But now, okay, where's my task that I wanted to find something about? I can now filter for the task ID, UUID, and run the query again to see the logs specific for this task. For example, we see the UC timer process of the content running to success. Great, it ran. So that's just a little possibility to see, to dive deeper into if tests fail, how can I find out where they failed, where can I correlate my log files to my trace files, and later on maybe to our metrics. Next up, I want to show you 2 dashboards. One is for the observability with Dynatrace in general. For this, we head over to our UC dashboard. And there we can see a little overview of every day of important data that has come into the controller and was collected by Dynatrace. For example, the task history of today, how many agents are connected, what agent launched, how many jobs down here, and the agent job launched. And also using the Davis AI from Dynatrace, we can have a little outlook at, from the pattern of the tasks we have already created and launched for a previous time period, how it will develop over time. So we have this UC overboard. It's similar to Grafana and also more customizable. Great. Second, I want to show you the system monitoring dashboard inside of Dynatrace. This is a similar dashboard to Grafana with a bunch of data, same as the before, using the integration that we have in our controller. Here, also as before in the Grafana dashboard, we have our CPU, our memory, our system load for the times, and also different parts of the network traffic shown. So yeah, this is the system monitoring with Grafana and Dynatrace. And yeah, thank you.